make me smile, smile, smile. But except that I'm in love. Yeah, I'm feeling feelings for you.
Hari ni memang seronok sebab hari ni berpeluang kanak-kanak remaja dah berpeluang untuk shopping baju sekolah, ini kasut sekolah, ini barang keperluan sukan jugalah. Ada stationery sekali.
Very.
It was very good. I think I managed to bond with the kids, you know. I get to learn more about them.
Yes, I think I had more fun than my kid actually.
Bag, kasut, baju, bag, baju sekolah.
She bought one pair of uniform, one pair of shoes, bag.
This one lah.
You can see how grateful they are, and that really brings joy to my heart.
It's great fun to bond with kids, and bringing them to come and do shopping, kind of like also makes me relive my childhood a little bit.
Of course, if there's an opportunity, of course, if we can reach out to those who actually need, the help that we are providing, I think that'll be awesome.
Terima kasih banyak pada Tim Protect.